Welcome to the new video, NEET MCQs on Cell Biology. Question number 1. Who was the first scientist to observe and name the cell after examining cork? Antony van Leeuwenhoek, Robert Brown, Robert Hooke, Schleiden. The right answer is option C, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke coined the term cell in 1665. Question number 2. The classical cell theory was proposed jointly by which two scientists? Hooke and Leeuwenhoek, Schleiden and Schwann, Watson and Crick, Darwin and Wallace. The right answer is option B, Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden and Schwann formulated the cell theory. Question number 3. Which cell organelle is primarily responsible for ATP production and is called the powerhouse of the cell? Golgi apparatus, ribosome, lysosome, mitochondria. The right answer is option D, mitochondria. Mitochondria synthesize ATP during cellular respiration. Question number 4. According to the fluid mosaic model, the plasma membrane is mainly composed of proteins only, lipids and proteins, carbohydrates only. The right answer is option C, lipids and proteins. The membrane consists of phospholipids embedded with proteins. Question number 5. The fluid mosaic model explaining plasma membrane structure was proposed by Singer and Nicholson, Danieli and Davison, Robertson, Watson and Crick. The right answer is option A, Singer and Nicholson. Singer and Nicholson proposed this model in 1972. Question number 6. Which transport mechanism across the plasma membrane requires ATP? Diffusion, osmosis, facilitated diffusion, active transport. The right answer is option D, active transport. Active transport moves substances against concentration gradient. Question number 7. Which structure serves as the site of protein synthesis in cells? Ribosome, Golgi body, lysosome, centrosome. The right answer is option A, ribosome. Ribosome translate mRNA into proteins. Question number 8. Which cell organelle is completely absent in prokaryotic cells? Ribosome, cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleus. The right answer is option D, nucleus. Prokaryotes lack a true nucleus. Question number 9. Lysosomes contain enzymes mainly responsible for protein synthesis, lipid metabolism, intracellular digestion, energy production. The right answer is option C, intracellular digestion. Lysosomal enzymes digest cellular waste. Question number 10. The major function of endoplasmic reticulum in a cell is energy production, protein and lipid synthesis, cell division, photosynthesis. The right answer is option B, protein and lipid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum makes proteins and smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes lipids. Question number 11. Which type of endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes on its surface? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi endoplasmic reticulum. The right answer is option A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes. Question number 12. Which organelle modifies, packages and secretes proteins? Lysosome, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, peroxisome. The right answer is option C, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus processes and dispatches proteins. Question number 13. Which organelle is commonly called the suicide bag of the cell? Peroxisome, lysosome, vacuole, ribosome. The right answer is option B, lysosome. Lysosome cause autolysis when released. Question number 14. Cristae are enfoldings found in which organelle? Chloroplast, nucleus, Golgi body, mitochondria. The right answer is option D, mitochondria. Cristae increases mitochondrial surface area. Question number 15. Which organelle contains its own DNA and ribosomes? Mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. The right answer is option A, mitochondria. Mitochondria are semi-autonomous organelles. Question number 16. Thylakoids, the site of light reaction, are present in mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, Golgi body. The right answer is option B, chloroplast. Thylakoids contain photosynthetic pigments. Question number 17. The middle lamella of plant cell wall is rich in cellulose, lignin, calcium pectate, hemicellulose. The right answer is option C, calcium pectate. It binds adjacent plant cells together. Question number 18. Which layer lies between two adjacent plant cells? Primary wall, secondary wall, plasma membrane, middle lamella. The right answer is option D, middle lamella. Middle lamella is present between plant cells. Question number 19. Plasmodesmata occur between animal cells, prokaryotic cells, fungal cells, plant cells. The right answer is option D, plant cells. Plasmodesmata connects plant cells. Question number 20. The cytoskeleton is mainly composed of lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids. The right answer is option B, proteins. Cytoskeletal elements are proteinaceous. Question number 21. Which structure is mainly responsible for cell movement? Vacuole, ribosome, cilia, nucleus. The right answer is option C, cilia. Cilia aid in cell movement. Question number 22. The large vacuole in plant cells helps in maintaining turgidity, photosynthesis, respiration, protein synthesis. The right answer is option A, turgidity. Vacuole maintains turgor pressure. Question number 23. The membrane surrounding the vacuole is called plasma lemma, tonoplast, cell wall, nuclear membrane. The right answer is option B, tonoplast. Tonoplast is the vacuolar membrane. Question number 24. Peroxisomes are involved mainly in protein synthesis, cell division, photosynthesis, detoxification reactions. The right answer is option D, detoxification reactions. Peroxisomes break down toxic substances. Question number 25. Which organelle is referred to as the post office of the cell? Endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. The right answer is option C, Golgi apparatus. Golgi sorts and dispatches proteins. Question number 26. Centrosome is absent in which cells? Animal cells, plant cells, protozoa, algae. The right answer is option B, plant cells. Plant cells lack centrosomes. Question number 27. Maximum cell growth occurs during which phase of the cell cycle? G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. The right answer is option A, G1 phase. G1 phase involves active growth. Question number 28. DNA replication takes place during G1 phase, G2 phase, M phase, S phase. The right answer is option D, S phase. DNA synthesis occurs in S phase. Question number 29. Cells in which phase remain metabolically active but do not divide? G1 phase, S phase, G0 phase, G2 phase. The right answer is option C, G0 phase. G0 phase is a quiescent phase. Question number 30. Mitotic spindle fibers are made of actin, myosin, keratin, tubulin. The right answer is option D, tubulin. Tubulin forms spindle microtubules. Question number 31. Chromosomes align at the equatorial plane during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. The right answer is option B, metaphase. Metaphase plate formation occurs here. Question number 32. Separation of sister chromatids occurs during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. The right answer is option C, anaphase. Centromeres split in anaphase. Question number 33. Nuclear membrane reappears during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. The right answer is option D, telophase. Nuclear envelope reforms in telophase. Question number 34. Which organelle organizes spindle fibers? Centrosome, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, ribosome. The right answer is option A, centrosome. Centrosome forms spindle apparatus. Question number 35. Which type of cell division maintains chromosome number? Meiosis 1, meiosis 2, mitosis, amitosis. The right answer is option C, mitosis. Mitosis produces identical daughter cells. Question number 36. Ribosomes in prokaryotic cells are of which type? 80S, 70S, 60S, 50S. The right answer is option B, 70S. Prokaryotes possess 70S ribosomes. Question number 37. The main function of nuclear pores is to store DNA, synthesize RNA, allow transport of molecules, form nucleolus. The right answer is option C, allow transport of molecules. Nuclear pores regulate exchange of materials. Question number 38. Which organelle is bounded by a double membrane? Lysosome, ribosome, Golgi body, mitochondria. The right answer is option D, mitochondria. Mitochondria have two membranes. Question number 39. Which plastid stores starch in plant cells? Leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast, elaioplast. The right answer is option A, leucoplast. Leucoplast stores starch. Question number 40. Chromoplasts are mainly responsible for storage of food, providing color to plant parts, photosynthesis, protein synthesis. The right answer is option B, providing color to plant parts. They contain carotenoid pigments. Question number 41. Which of the following is not membrane bound? Lysosome, vacuole, ribosome, mitochondria. The right answer is option C, ribosome. Ribosomes lack a membrane. Question number 42. Cell sap is present in the nucleus, vacuole, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body. The right answer is option B, vacuole. Vacuole contains cell sap. Question number 43. Rigidity of plant cell wall is due to lipids, protein, starch, cellulose. The right answer is option D, cellulose. Cellulose microfibrils provide strength. Question number 44. Chromatin is composed of DNA and histone proteins, RNA only, DNA only, proteins only. The right answer is option A, DNA and histone proteins. Chromatin consists of DNA and histones. Question number 45. Euchromatin is best described as condensed and inactive, uncondensed and transcriptionally active, always inactive, non-functional DNA. The right answer is option B, uncondensed and transcriptionally active. Euchromatin actively participates in transcription. Question number 46. Which organelle is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, ribosome. The right answer is option A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxifies drugs and synthesizes lipids. Question number 47. Flagella differ from cilia because flagella are shorter and numerous, shorter and fewer, longer and fewer, longer and numerous. The right answer is option C, longer and fewer. Flagella are longer and fewer than cilia. Question number 48. Which cell junction prevents leakage between adjacent cells? Gap junction, tight junction, desmosome, plasmodesmata. The right answer is option B, tight junction. Tight junctions seal neighboring cells. Question number 49. The matrix containing enzymes of Krebs cycle is found in nucleus, lysosome, Golgi body, mitochondria. The right answer is option D, mitochondria. Mitochondrial matrix hosts Krebs cycle enzymes. Question number 50. Which type of cell division occurs without spindle formation? Mitosis, meiosis, amitosis, cytokinesis. The right answer is option C, amitosis. Amitosis is direct cell division. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn more NEET MCQs.